I'm going to teach you guys how to meditate elementary style. Okay, so a big part of meditation is breath work, right? How you're breathing, because in meditation you're supposed to focus on your breathing, or at least for beginners it's good to focus on your breathing so that you can kind of let go of your thoughts. So a big misconception about meditation is that you're supposed to completely clear out your mind. That your mind is supposed to be a blank slate where you're not thinking and you're just in a state of relaxation. And that is a big misconception, because our minds are always going to have thoughts. Thoughts are what makes us. So it's who we are. So the goal is not to silence our minds. Instead, it's to bring awareness to our thoughts, and in a very kind manner, let them go. So our thoughts, in meditation, your thoughts are supposed to float in and out, like clouds moving in the sky. You're not supposed to just think about one thing and get fixated on it. Instead, it works best if you let them go, but acknowledge them. You know, a thought might come in while you're meditating, and a strategy that works for me is that I would say, "Quiet, please," in my mind. So I'll acknowledge the thought, and with me saying "quiet, please," it's almost like a way to tell it, "Hey, I'll get back to you later, but right now let's bring our focus back into my breathing, or into what I'm trying to bring awareness to." So that is one of the things that makes people frustrated in meditation, the fact that they think that they come with these high expectations of themselves, that they think that they need to be a blank slate, and then when they don't achieve that, they get more overwhelmed, more frustrated, and completely give up. But instead, I invite you to, when you're meditating, to acknowledge those thoughts that are coming in, and then slowly and gently release them, let them go. And you can do that by bringing your attention back into your breathing, or by, you can have a keyword. You can sort of tell yourself, "Quiet, please," or "Not now," and then bring your awareness back into your breathing. Or bring your awareness back into your mantra, into your prayer, whatever it is that you're using to stay focused and aware. So that is myth number one, that you're supposed to have a blank slate. So instead, gently let the thoughts come in, and then let them float out, very gently, right? Okay, myth number two, or mistake number two, is how we're breathing. So a lot of people, when they're meditating, they might think that the breathing doesn't work, doesn't calm them down, because they're breathing incorrectly. They're breathing how they would every day, which is from your chest, right? You're breathing like, and that is not really how you're getting the most out of meditation. So when we breathe from our diaphragm instead, we're allowing our breath to sort of go up into our brains and oxygen, versus when we breathe from our chest, it's not. So in order to tell if we're breathing from our chest or from our diaphragm, what I call it belly breathing, and this is how I show my kids how to do it, or the clients I'm working with. So a good way to be able to tell if you're meditating from your diaphragm, from your belly, is by putting your hands on your belly. And when you breathe in through your nose, your belly is supposed to expand, it's supposed to enlarge. And then when you breathe out through your mouth, it's supposed to go back in. So let's watch me first. So I'm gonna breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Also, if we're breathing in through our diaphragm, our shoulders should not be going in and up and down. They should be staying still. So watch my shoulders now when I breathe in, and then when I exhale out. See, I wasn't going like this. And this is the normal, and then how we would breathe normally would be like this. See how I move my shoulders. So, so I hope that was helpful, and bye.